Unraveling the Vibe Check, a modern slang adventure. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of modern English slang, vibe check. This phrase has been popping up all over social media, in conversations, and perhaps you've heard it and wondered, what exactly does that mean? Well, fret no more. We're here to break it down, so you can not only understand it but also use it confidently in your daily English conversations. Vibe is short for vibration, but don't worry, we're not about to dive into a physics lesson. In slang, a vibe refers to the emotional signals a person or environment gives off. So, a vibe check is essentially a moment where someone assesses the emotional atmosphere of a person or place. Imagine walking into a party and immediately sensing that everyone is having a great time. That's a positive vibe check. On the flip side, if there's an argument happening, and you sense tension in the air, that's a negative vibe check. The concept of vibes has been around for decades, commonly associated with moods or feelings. However, vibe check gained popularity through memes and online culture in the 2010s. It became a playful way to acknowledge or question the mood of a situation or person, often without taking it too seriously. Using vibe check in a sentence is quite simple. It can be used both as a statement and a question. For example, as a statement, we did a vibe check and realized it wasn't the right time for a serious discussion. As a question, hey, can we have a quick vibe check? Are we all good to continue? It's all about context. A vibe check can be a genuine request for emotional feedback or a light-hearted way to change the subject. Vibe check has had an interesting cultural impact. It's not just a phrase but a social tool used especially among younger generations to facilitate open communication about one's feelings or the group's mood. It has grown beyond a simple meme into a part of everyday language. So there you have it, the vibe check, decoded. It's a fun, casual way to connect with friends and peers, ensuring everyone is comfortable and in good spirits. Remember, language is always evolving, and keeping up with slang like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you stay culturally aware. Thanks for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you catch the best vibes in your English conversations.